Hi Grant, this is Brad at Burtness Chevy Buick GMC in Whitewater doing a quick walk around video for you of the 2020 Chevy Silverado LT Trail Boss. This one is equipped with leather, sunroof, local vehicle. We sold it new. It is GM certified as well, so you do get an additional 12 months, 12,000 miles added to the bumper-to-bumper warranty that's left from GM. Powertrain is going to go out 6-year 100,000 versus the 5-year 60. Steps were added to the vehicle. It also has a safety package. There's the leather. It's got the GM style of the WeatherTech floor liners front and back. It's got the nice Bose premium sound system. Safety package with the parking sensors in front and back, blind spot indicators in the mirrors. Power seat. This one's got the heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start. And there we've got the miles, 62.79 for the miles. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Nice vehicle here. Give us a call with any questions, 262-473-6060. Again, that's Brad at Burtness in Whitewater. Thanks, Grant.